All right, so how can we solve this question? Let's read with an open mind. When the button of a trash compactor is pushed, a force of 350 Newton pushes down on a 1.3 meter square input piston. How much pressure applied on the piston? First of all, well, you don't have to know what type of system is this with the button and the trash compactor and the piston. So remember the simple diagram that I showed you in the class. Okay, so there's like a piston, there's like a cylinder here, there's like piston here. Okay, this is the piston. That piston goes up and down depending on uh, depending on what the work is. Okay, so you push the button here, somewhere here, there's a button, and then you push the button. Um, it's going to trigger the system, and the gas is going to come in, push the piston down, and apply pressure. Okay, so this piston anyway going down with the pressure applied by the gas or maybe the oil. Doesn't matter. What matter is how can we find out the pressure using the formula? So the formula is simple. Pressure is equal to F over A, right? So what do we know? So there's a reason for me to highlight the force and the meter square so that you guys pay more attention to the values. What is the name of the 350? What is the 1.3 for? So as you can see, there says force. So force equal 350. My son just can't control the voice in the background. Okay. And then 1.3 is the A. This is meters square. This is Newton. And P for Newton per meter square or Pascal. Okay. And we know the A. This is the one of the very simple uh, problem. So what if we don't know? Unknowns are the P, pressure. We don't know the pressure, how much pressure applied on the piston. So we know that pressure is equal to force over area. And we know the force 350 Newton. And we know the area 1.3, right? Meters square. And what is the pressure now? 350 divided by 1.3. 350 divided by 1.3. 269.2. Well, approximately 270 Pascal, right? So remember, Pascal means Newton per meter square, right? So whenever you use Newton per meter square or pound by, well, that's not equal. Pound per inch square. So these are this is for the American unit. This is for the SI standard unit, the metric unit. Okay. So here we used the metric unit. We use the metric unit here.